How to fix Messenger Kids app call glitch. The very first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you're using the legitimate application. Example, you have to download this and install it via the Google Play Store or any trusted application store and not using from a pirate source. Say for example, you're encountering the glitch. Before doing the troubleshooting, make sure that your Messenger Kids application is not operating. Now just simply tap and hold the app and hit on the eye icon for you to be able to redirect to app info. And then under permissions, make sure that all these features are all allowed, like camera, microphone, notifications, phone, and photos and videos. To enable it, just simply hit on camera, then choose on allow only while using the application or ask every time. If this basic troubleshooting step won't be able to work, all you have to do is to update the application to the latest version or try to uninstall the app and reinstall it again. Those are the very basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Messenger Kids app glitch.